Hi guys, welcome to SAP E-commerce Planet. I'm Khaja. Today I'm going to explain how to install Intellij IDEA in Windows 11 64-bit operating system. So let's see. Open the browser, type Intellij IDEA download. Click on this link. It will redirect to the official website of JetBrains. So here when you download this community edition, click on download. The download process started. So it will take some time to download the .exe file. So the .exe file downloaded successfully. Open the directory. So here right click on it and run administrator, run as administrator. So asking for admin privileges, so we need to S. Click on next. So this is the path where the software is going to install under this 64-bit directory program files. Click on next. So these are the options provided by Intellij. So if we want these features, we need to check these check boxes. So yeah, as I want to create, I want a shortcut on desktop for Intellij. And yeah, if we check this box, then whenever we if we click on the project directory, so it will directly open in Intellij directly. So this is one of the best feature provided by Intellij. And so these are the options of the technologies. So I use this Java, I use Gradle, Groovy, and Bomb, and also I want to use these features as well. And yeah, I want bin directory, and click on next, next, install. So now the installation process started. It will take some time to complete the installation. Now the installation process completed successfully. We need to reboot the system to apply the changes. Click on finish. After rebooting the system, click on this IntelliJ shortcut created on desktop. So need to accept the agreement. So this is how the UI of the IntelliJ IDE looks like. So we can create the project or open the project in this console. Now here you can create the project or add the project to execute and to develop and run the program. It also supports different languages and it features as well in developing the application. So when you click on the new project, it detects the Java first, JDK. So click on the new project, give some name here like Shopee, and so as my system already having JDK 11, so it automatically get detected here the JDK version. If we are not having the JDK, then we can install the JDK from here, the marketplace, and using this feature. And so here we are also having this feature called creating Git repository. So if you want the repository so we can use this option. We need to create the project. Click on create. So this is the sample Java class provided by Intellij. So this is how the structure looks like. So project, and under the source directory there is a main class. So it is providing a sample code. Can just modify this and apply our changes to the class, and we can create the classes, add some jars, and start creating the project accordingly. So let's execute this. So this is the run button got enabled. Click on this run button. So after clicking will get executed, and output of the program displays here in the console. So this is how it will work, guys. So thank you for watching this video, and please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys.